My name is Mike Martin, and I am a partner in Classic Restorations, LLC. We've been in business since about 2008 or 2009. We had been at my house for some years, and then we leased a place in Ridgeland, Mississippi. When I moved in that commercial shop, this little business really took off. We have this nice shop here, which is about 12,500 feet under roof. We've got a good crew of folks here that are good, and we do some good work. You know, one of these days, you'll hear that Classic Restorations LLC is considered one of the premier shops, probably in the Southeast. That's probably going to happen, you know, because we're going to continue to grow this business.